Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Icemaker Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Icemaker Assembly. The Icemaker Assembly is where the ice cubes are made. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's not making ice or one or more of the parts have failed and you'd rather change out the whole assembly instead of the individual pieces. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to reach in and take the ice bucket out. There's a little lever right here on the side that you have to release. And then you can pull the bucket assembly out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Now that we have the bucket out of the way, we have to take off this panel on the left-hand side. It's held in by a screw. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take it out. Now that we have the screw out, we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and kind of lift the panel out a little bit and just hold it. And then we're going to go up to the middle up here, and where the panel goes up to the ice maker, we're going to press in with the flathead screwdriver to release this tab, and we can pull the whole panel off. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the panel out of the way, we're going to reach in and disconnect the wire harness for the ice maker. It's the white one in here. Just going to press on the locking tab to release it. We can pull the wire harness off. Once you have it free, you can just set it down. To get the ice maker out, there's a little release lever right here. Just going to press down on it. And then we can pull it on the ice maker a little bit and drop it down. Once you have it released, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new ice maker assembly in, you want to make sure that the wire harness stays in this little holder as we lift it up into position. As you're lifting it up into position, you want to make sure that you have the back lined up with the fill spout in the back. Then you can lift up the front and line it up with the mounting pegs. Once you have it lined up and in position, you can push back to lock it into place. Once you have it locked in place, we can reach in and grab the wire harness. It can only go on one way, so just push it in so it locks and you get a good connection. As you're putting the panel back in, you want to make sure the tab inside the ice maker section goes into this little slot right here. Once you have it in, we can push the panel over, make sure that the wire harness cover up here snaps in. Once you have it in place, we can use a Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can put the ice bucket back in. All you have to do is line it up and push it back in so it locks into place. Once you have it pushed in, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.